My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Hafiz Ghulam Chabinar, जो city Gambut. I wanna motivate to you about commission. I'm sorry to say, my dear students, a large number of students is appeared in the competitive examinations every year, but a few students are passed. It is the only reason because they don't have knowledge, composition, grammatical structure, putting appropriate words, suitable words, and they have no art of writing. They have no art of script. They have no art of detail current affairs because they have remembered crime. In a competitive examination, there is no doubt nothing is possible crime, but it is possible that you should have appropriate knowledge about art of composition, about appropriate suitable words, and you should know how to write an essay and how to give an interview. It will be possible that when you know fully grammar. So I wanna lecture you that please try to understand grammatical structure from zero level till complete parts of speech, active passive, narration, remove to paragraph, outline, introduction of essay, body of essay, conclusion of essay, descriptive essay, narrative essay, figure of speech, and you should read daily different newspapers which is in English language. It will be benefit for your art of writing, art of interview. Without reading newspaper, you can't be able to give an interview, to write current affairs, to understand current affairs. You cannot analyze on any topic of current affair, international affair, disputes, or nowadays new word has been making, and China has been rising as superpower. After 1 century, we tell us history, superpower will change. So nowadays, overnight, due to economical condition, due to World Trade Organization, due to CPEC, which is linked 165 countries, which goes from 165 countries, which is linked. You can travel easily by bus 160 countries, wherever you want to go. So you should understand that if you know fully grammar, you can analyze on the current situation of Israel, Gaza, Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, Egypt, Yemen, Houthis, Red Sea, and what is happening nowadays, because the world has been globalized. You should focus on world views. You should grip on world views. But it is possible when you should grip on grammatical structure. It means parts of speech. It means composition. I am sorry to say, from different places, interior areas, remote areas, kacha areas, students go to Karachi, Islamabad, Pindi, especially Lahore,